watching Business Plus here on News9. I am Krishnakumar, and we at this hour are discussing what the markets of India are looking like. Indian markets ending the week with strong gains, both the Sensex and the Nifty rising by 1% each, with across the board buying. Now, this was the fourth consecutive session of gains for Dalal Street, with two headline scaling fresh peaks for the second straight session on Friday. We have Suyash now joining us in the studio, and we also have my colleague and friend Kartik Malhotra with us in the studio. Thank you, Jemma, for joining us. Suyash, you lead on this one. Tell us, fantastic week for the markets, fresh peaks scaled on both Sensex and Nifty. What is it looking like?
So, market has been quite upbeat lately, Krishna, and strong foreign institutional buying and a string of positive macroeconomic numbers that are coming out both on a domestic front and on the international front have provided that much needed push for Nifty, which has been kind of flirting with the all-time peak levels. So market, as you just mentioned, it was a second straight session where the market scaled all-time high levels. Now at close, Sensex was up about 800 points or 1.26% to close at 64,718 levels, when Nifty also gained about 1% and closed at 19,189 levels. Now, with today's rally, the market capitalization of all BSE listed firms have surpassed 296 lakh crore for the very first time. The rally today was broad-based, as all the sectoral indices under the Nifty umbrella ended with gains. Today's rally was led by Nifty IT among sectoral indices, which gained about 2%. Nifty Auto was also up about 2%. Nifty Bank also gained about 1%. Now, among individual stocks, Mahindra & Mahindra was a top gainer today. It was up about 4%, followed by Infosys, IndusInd Bank, which were up about 3%. Now, on the other side, Adani Ports and Adani Enterprises witnessed some profit booking. Adani Enterprises rallied 7% this week. So there was some profit booking expected, in the latter half of the week. It was down about 2.8%, and Adani Ports was down about 2.8%, and Adani Enterprises ended with marginal loss of about 0.6%.
Right. So that's the markets for the week. Kartik, some would call this overheated, but as for now, this markets are on a good roll, so to speak.
Absolutely, Krishna, and I think like we said yesterday also on our show, that it's a Goldilocks kind of a situation. We want the Goldilocks to continue for the economy. I think we want it to continue for the markets as well. Right. Some analysts feel that the market is overheated right now. Global headwinds, given recession in the US, likely recession or already recession in Europe, and some of those markets could play party pooper for the Indian markets as well. But it doesn't seem like India is getting very deterred by the global scenario yet, and we're scaling new peaks day after day.
And that is also coming in from the foreign institutional buyers.
From the foreign institutional buyers,
$11 billion in the first half of this year. This was almost as much as the entire full year buying of 2020.
So there is potential that I think retail investors as well as institutional buyers, more so institutional buyers, are hoping to derive from India as opposed to the rest of the world. And whatever pullouts had happened over the last many trading sessions, they seem to be back squarely into Indian markets.
All right, fair enough. So that's what the markets are looking like at this stage.